In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon order history. Go ahead and open up the Amazon app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom row, and it's the second one in. Then tap on your orders. Now in here by default it shows me the past 3 months of orders, but I can filter to change that. So if I tap on the filter button, you can see we have a lot more different options here. So we can filter by not yet dispatched, local shops, and cancelled orders. We can also change the date range, and once we tap on this, all we have to do is hit apply, and you can scroll through all of your orders within the last 30 days. Now another thing you can do is you can search all your orders by tapping in a category. So say for example I wanted to search all the books that I've bought. I just type in the word books and you can see I have 211 orders matching with the word book. I can scroll through these again. I also have the option to buy it again, and that is basically how to view your order history using the Amazon app. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.